In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get promo codes for Genshin Impact. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is a game right here, and it's a very popular game nowadays. As you guys can see by the reviews, it's 4 million reviews and too many people have downloaded this. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to get the codes for this game. So first of all, you're gonna head over to Google. So I'm gonna head over to Google. Once you're here, you're gonna search up Genshin Impact promo code 2023 August, because this month is August. So once you have done that, you're gonna go down until you see this first website which says ign.com. So you're gonna click on it. So once you're there, you're gonna scroll down until you see this option, as you guys can see right here. So these are the codes for Genshin Impact. So you can write these codes, and these are the rewards you're gonna get. So for example, for the first code, you're gonna get times 100 Primo Gem, and then you're gonna get Mystic Enhancement Ore, and the other is expiration date. This one is already expired because they came out in the start of the month, so you can wait for next month. Every month new codes come out, but for this month it's expired. Today, as you guys can see, it is 8th August, and that was expired at 5 August. You can go to many other websites and see other codes as well. So that was the first website. You can try to go on the second website, scroll down, and there are the codes. I think they're the same. Yeah, these codes look the same, so you have to wait for the next month to get new codes. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.